Hello students. Next topic is intersection of the straight lines. What is the intersection of the straight lines? If you have any two lines, it is L1 and this is L2 intersecting at point is P. This is the called of the two lines of the intersecting. How to find the intersecting point? You can listen in this session. Okay. Intersecting of the two lines means you have the one theorem is if L1 is equal to A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, it is a one line equation, and L2 is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Represent the two intersecting of the lines, then their points are the intersection is, what is the formula here? B1C2 minus B2C1 by divided by A1B2 minus A2B1 comma C1A2 minus C2A1 by A1B2 minus A2B1. You have to prove that this is intersect of the point. Listen how you have to prove this one is. Same you can take here, two lines are given. Consider the straight lines. Consider straight lines. L1 is how much it is if is given A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, and L2 is equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. This is the equation 1 and 2. Algebra equation, how can you solve this? You can solve this one is, if P of x naught comma y naught, this is assume that is the intersecting point, is the point intersection of lines 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. Then you can say that is the P lies on L1 and P as lines on L2 also. Therefore I can write then P satisfy the both equations 1 and 2. That means you can write what happens here, P of x1 y1 you don't know. You can find the x0 and y0. This point is the intersection of the L1 and L2. Therefore the point is lies on the L1, lies on the L2 only. Therefore how can solve this? Can solve this equations, or first you can write here A1 x0 B1 y0 plus C1 is equal to 0, and A2 x0 plus B2 y0 plus C2 is equal to 0. These are our required equations, lies on the L1 and L2. Now you can solve these equations, you get the x0 and y0 value. How can you solve? You observe here, you have the one formula. You can write here B1 first is, and C1 and A1 and B1 as is. Coefficient of the first, you can take the y0 first term is B1, C1, A1, B1. And second equation same, you can coefficient the y0, constant x0 I can write here B2, C2, A2, B1. This is a method of the finding the solution. Otherwise you can multiply and both are A2 and A1, you can get the x cancelling, and y you can get the answer. This method also is very easy, difficulty, but this is a very important how to solve this. It is not a coefficient of the, it is x value, this is a y value, this is a constant only. Once again listen, I am taking the y0 coefficient is B1, C1, A1, B1 as it is. Second equation B2, C2, A2, B1. Therefore I can write here x0, this is the x0, y0 constant. Therefore x0 how can I write here? Can cross multiplication you could do B1 C2 minus C1 B2. What I am doing here, x is equal to B1 C2 minus C1 B2. Similarly, you can write is equal to y naught by, what is the y naught is? C1 A2 minus A1 C2 is equal to constant by A1 B2 minus B1 A2. This is a method of the finding the solution directly. Okay. Once again listen. X naught is, can write here B1 C2 minus C1 B2. Y naught is equal to C1 A2 minus A1 C2. Cross multiplication this is. Therefore, I can write here x naught is equal to B1 C2 minus C1 B2 by A1 B2 minus A1 B2. B1 A2. Okay. And y naught is equal to C1 A2 minus A1 C2 by A1 B2 minus B1 A2. This is our intersection of the point, that is x naught comma y naught is equal to, what you got here? Intersection of the point. Intersection of the point x naught comma y naught is equal to, that is P is equal to, what you got here? B1 C2 minus C1 B2 divided by, I can write here A1 B2 minus A2 B1, I can write here A2 B1 or B1 A2, both are same, comma second one x is, y is how much, that is C1 A2 minus A1 C2 by A1 B2 minus B1 A2 or A2 B1. A2 B1, both are same, A2 B1. This is our required point P is, intersect of the point is. This we can prove, this is also same as this, observe here. Both are same. B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. You got here C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. You got in same as this. Okay. This is the intercept of the formula also, you can observe here. This is the theorem also. Okay. Depends on the theorem. We have, let us see one example. Find the point of the intersect of the straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a is equal to 1. It is given in intersect form. Then you can reduce in the form of standard form, ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. It is a is not equal to b means, you can observe here a is equal to b means x plus a is equal to 1 only. This is not as same, you can getting the same only. That's why is a is not equal to b. Let given equations. How can I write here equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a is equal to 1. You can take here LCM is ab. What happens is a get cancel, b is a bx plus ay is equal to 1. You can simplify this one. Here also ax plus by by ab is equal to 1. Let us, the equation is bx plus ay is equal to ab or minus ab is equal to 0. You can write here ax plus by minus ab is equal to 0 also. This is, you can multiply with 1 ab, but you can bring this side, what happens is minus ab is equal to 0. You can call this the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Listen, next what you have to do here, Nick? You can solve these two equations. Solve the equation 1 and equation 2. How can you solve this is? Or intercept, you can write here intercept form, intersection of the intersection of point P of x naught comma y naught, same. Let us see. Therefore, you can write here b x naught plus a y naught minus a b is equal to 0. a x naught plus b y naught minus a b is equal to 0. Minus a b is equal to 0. Then can write the formula. What the formula is? b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1. Otherwise you can solve your method of the, you can write here as it is. Coefficient of the y naught is first a minus ab and next b. This is a. This is a x naught. This is a y naught. This is a constant. I can write here one only. And this other one the equation is b minus ab as it is and a b. What you are observe here? X naught by, or you can write here one step here, x naught by a of minus ab minus of b of minus ab. All you got here? Y naught by, here also a of minus ab minus of b of minus ab is equal to 1 by, what you got here? B square minus a square. This is this is simplification is, observe here, x naught by, this is I can write here minus of a square b, this is a minus of minus plus a b square is equal to y naught by, here also minus a square b minus of minus plus a square b is equal to 1 by, this is b square minus a square. B square minus a square you got here. X naught by, in this case you can observe here, I am taking the AB common. What is remaining here? A minus B. Here also I am taking the AB common. What is remaining here? A minus B. Because first is first plus I am taking here. A square B. Okay? Is equal to a square b. What you got here? Y1 is, y is minus a of a minus b minus b of a minus b. You are getting the plus. Okay. A square b, a plus a square b minus 1. Okay. Is equal to 1 by b square minus a square. Therefore x naught is equal to, you got here ab by x naught is equal to, can write here ab by a minus b by, this can be as b minus a into b plus a. B plus a into, can take here minus common, that's why. Minus you can take common, what happens is minus minus you are getting minus of. Okay, this I am taking a minus of ab common, a minus b, minus of I am taking the ab common, therefore a minus b. Therefore this can be written as ab of b minus a by b minus a into a plus b or b plus a, both are same. B minus a to cancel. X naught is equal to, what you got here? AB by a plus b. Similarly y naught is equal to minus ab by b minus a by, this is minus ab a minus b by b plus a into b minus a. You can multiply with minus, what happens is ab of b minus a by b plus a into b minus a. Therefore b minus a it cancel, y naught is equal to ab by a plus b or b plus a. Both are same. Therefore, what is the intersect of point is x naught comma y naught is ab by a plus b, ab by a plus b. This is once again reason, don't confuse here. It is I am taking the minus a square b plus ab square. I am taking the minus ab common. What will get here? A minus b also. Here also minus ab I am taking the a minus b. Therefore, x naught is equal to minus ab by a minus b into b square minus b square, that is b square minus a square, that is b minus a into b plus a. If you have multiply with minus, what happens is ab as is minus into minus plus b minus a. Therefore, b minus a it cancel, ab by a plus b you are getting here. Similarly, y naught also. Thus is the end of this problem. Next topic is half planes. What is the half planes? You can observe here, it is given line is L. L is nothing but ax plus by plus c. You have in the half line planes, you have the three. The set of, if L is equal to 0, given the points are, the two points are three, two or any points, you can given one point also given, and 2 points are given. If it is on the line or one side of the line, means one side of the line, other both are here, other sides is one point is this side and one side is up point, one side is one point is on the other side, down side only. The line given equation. The set of the points of the straight line on the straight line means L is equal to 0. The set of the points one side means up or down only. 2 points are in down only or up only, down one side only. Means upside or downside only one side. This is when L is greater than 0. The set of the points of the other sides. Other sides means you can observe here, one point is upside and one point is outside. One side and other side is. If it is given, for example, you can take the 1, 2 and 3, 2, the points is given. L is equal to an equation 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. You can substitute these two values, you get the L is equal to 0, means you get the on the line only. If it is, you get the value is greater than 0, means one side only. These two points are. If this 2 points is L11, L22 is greater than 0, is you can write here only one side only. The or one's upside or downside only. Other side means if it is 1, 2 is satisfying greater than 0 and 3, 2 is satisfying less than 0. Therefore, these 2 points are outside, other side only. Because one is up and negative, if you are getting the both are positive or both are negative, you can say that is the one side only. Okay, depends on you have the one theorem is, let us see. Theorem: the ratio in which the straight line L is equal to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the point a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 is minus L1 L11 is to L22. What is the L11 L22? Listen here. L11 means you can substitute the x1 comma y1 in L equation, and L22 means you are substituting the x2 comma y2 point only. Okay, listen, proof is, you can take the L is a line is L is equal to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and in which the straight line is divides L is to m. Okay, that is L is to m. The a is equal to x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 divides the ratio is I am assuming L is to m only. Let the straight line divide the line segment of AB. This is AB is the equation and L is a given equation. AB the point of the 2 points of the equation, that is a line segment divided in the ratio L is to m. I am assuming it is L is to m. You have to prove L is to m is equal to minus L1 is to L22. How can you prove that is? Intercept of the it is the ratio of, you can write here L is to M. Therefore, point I can write here P of, if you have take here a formula dividing M1 into M2 is formula. How can I write that is P of Lx2 plus Mx1 Lx2 plus Mx1 by L plus M. You are dividing the formula, you have the ratio divide formula. This is similarly second one is Ly2 My1 by L plus M. This is a formula only. Okay, this is formula dividing the any segment in the far east L is to mu, or you can write here M1 is to M2. You have the in discussing in the previous classes. Next, this is point also. This P is, I am assuming that is the point is intersecting the ratio of L is to M. Therefore, this above point is the above point P is lies on L is equal to Ax plus By plus is equal to 0. Lies on the straight line. L is equal to 0. Because P is going on the L equation. Therefore, I can write here, you can substitute here x and y values replacing as a P. Therefore, A of Lx2 plus Mx1 by L plus M plus B of Ly2 plus My1 by L plus M plus C is equal to 0. Once again, you can simplify this one, you get the answer is, listen here. I am taking the L plus M as this LCM. Lx2 plus Mx1 plus B of Ly2 plus My1 plus C of L plus M is equal to 0. This continuous, I can take here L common. What happens is Ax2 plus By2 plus C. I am taking the M common. What happens is Ax1 By1 plus C is equal to, the L plus M is equal to multiply with 0. You get the only L of Ax2 plus By2 plus C, M of Ax1 plus By1 plus C is equal to 0. Or I can write here L of Ax2 plus By2 plus C is equal to minus M of Ax1 By1 plus C1, or L by M is equal to, I can write here Ax1 plus minus of By1 plus C1 divided by Ax2 plus By2 plus C2, or I can write here L by M is equal to minus, this is a point x1 comma y1, therefore here I can write here L11, and this is x2 y2, therefore I can write here L22. Therefore ratio is, you can write here, I can write here L is to M is equal to minus L1 is to L22. This is our required ratio is L1 minus L1, L11 is to L22. This is our required ratio. Depend on the theorem, you have the note L1 is to M is equal to minus L11 is to L2 is greater than 0. Then L11 and L22 have the opposite signs. Can put the points, first point and second point, you get the greater than 0. Therefore it is L1 and L11 and L22 have the opposite signs, and it is less than 0 means L1, L11 and L22 as the same signs. This is you can do one problem, you can understand this one. And x-axis divides is a -1 minus y1 is to y2. Y-axis divided ratio is minus x1 is to x2. You can simply you can see that you can do one problem, you can observe. In solved problem you have the one problem. Okay, that's why I am explaining. Next theorem is weight. Family of straight lines or concurrent lines. This is a very interesting topic. Family of straight lines. The set of all straight lines having the common property is also known as the family of straight lines. First of all, what is the family of straight lines? In general, if you have the family means you can have at least two lines, intersecting lines is L1 and L2. L1 and L2 you can take the two lines intersecting at point of P. This is two lines is called as straight lines. Depend on these two lines you have the another lines are here. You can take any lines are is. This is called here concurrent lines or family of straight lines. This is a family of straight lines. Property means, for example, I am taking these two lines are here. Another line also I am taking it is L1, this is a L2 and this is a L3. Here intersecting the 2 points here. L2 is intersecting the L1 and L2. It is common point. You have the common point, then you can say that these are concurrent lines only. Here touching the two sides, this is not a concurrent lines. It is not a concurrent line. Okay, it is not a concurrent line. We have the both common. It is denoted concurrents you can denoted as a lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0, where lambda 1 lambda 2 was parameters, where lambda 1 comma lambda 2 are any parameters are real numbers. Okay, otherwise this can be as lambda 1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0, or I can write here L1 plus mu of lambda 2 is equal to 0. Here mu or lambdas any can take k also. Any value this is. Can any value taking. This is a symbolically you can write here. In this case you can observe here. This is lambda is not equal to 0. Is mu in this lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 is not equal to 0. Why you are taking the lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is not equal to 0? In this case lambda 1 is equal to 0 or lambda 2 is equal to 0, but both are not equal to 0. Both are not equal to 0. When is occurring? Therefore lambda 1 and lambda 2 is 0 only. When lambda 1 lambda 2 is equal to 0 only, this is occurring, not equal to 0. Therefore if we there is no meaningless. If it lambda 1 is equal to 0, lambda 2 is equal to 0, there is no intersecting lines are there. This is the condition I am taking the lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 is not equal to 0. This is the intersection of the concurrent lines. Okay, next I am going for in this you have the one theorem is depend on these concurrent lines. Next theorem, let the L1 is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0 and L2 a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 represents a pair of parallel straight lines. Then the straight line represented by lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0 is parallel to each of the straight lines. L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. The given L1 and L2 as parallel and lambda L1 plus lambda L2 is also parallel to the L1 and L2. How can you prove that is? Observe here. First you can take the proof is observe here. You can write the given the straight lines, L1 is equal to, what is given here? Ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0, and L2 a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is b2. Or parallel. Given is or parallel. Parallel means you can write, and the formula is, you have the a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1, or that can be as a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. You have the formula is parallel means. Similarly, you can take here, now consider lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0. Here lambda 1 comma lambda 2 is any parameters. Therefore lambda 1 of L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal plus lambda 2 of a2x b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. I can write this is a form of x into y into constant. Therefore x into, I can write here lambda 1 a1 first, and lambda 2 a2, this is x term, x into, and y means lambda 1 b1 plus lambda 2 b2, and last is constant is lambda 1 c1 plus lambda 2 c2 is equal to 0. You can call this equation number 1. Is represented as a form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This equation is parallel to equation number in is parallel to L1 is equal to 0. If it is possible or not, you can observe it. Therefore, I am taking the, what is the formula? If it is two lines are parallel, what happens? There is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Both are same. This is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 b2, or a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1. I am taking this one, a1 by a2 by b1 b2. This is, you can observe here, equation number 1. You can write L1 is, how can I write here? L1 is nothing but a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is, I can write here lambda 1 a1 plus lambda 2 a2 by a1 is equal to b1 by b2, lambda 1 b1 lambda 2 b2 by a1, sorry b1, this is a1 by a2 b1 by b2. Simplify this one, you get the answer is, observe here, you can cross multiplication, you can do b1 of lambda 1 a1 lambda 2 a2 is equal to a1 of lambda 1 b1 plus lambda 2 b2, lambda 1 a1 b1 plus lambda 2 a2 b1 is equal to lambda 1 a1 b1 plus lambda 2 a1 b2. Lambda a1 b1 get cancel. Lambda 2 a2 b1 is equal to lambda 2 a1 b2, or you can bring this side lambda 2 of a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal to 0. It is lambda 1 lambda is not equal to 0, because it is 0 means there is no meaningless. Therefore, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal to 0. a2 b1 is equal to a1 b2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. That is, this is the form of the parallel. Therefore, you can write here. Hence, you can write this hence lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is parallel to L1 is equal to 0. Also, you can prove the L2 also, same as this. You can take as L2 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c is equal to 0. Is similarly you can write here. Similarly, lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0, parallel to L2 is equal to 0 also. L2 is equal to 0. This is the end of the theorem.